Welcome to Crafted and Created, where simple staples create elevated flavor. Get ready to cook some magic.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're making soft, fluffy, golden brown Nigerian puff puff. This easy recipe will help you achieve perfect results every time. So let's get started. Here are the tools you need for perfect puff puff. A large bowl, wooden spoon, a deep frying pot and a slotted spoon, a wire rack and an ice cream scoop. That's it. Let's get cooking. Here's everything you'll need. Flour, sugar, yeast and salt, and some warm water. Step 1 is to mix your dry ingredients. Pour your flour into a large bowl. Add the sugar and instant yeast. Sprinkle in a bit of salt. Mix everything thoroughly so it is evenly distributed. Slowly pour in the warm water while stir mixing until you have a smooth, thick batter. Mix everything till smooth and stretchy. This is the secret. The consistency should be sticky and soft, thick enough to hold together. Puff puff batter should be sticky and soft. Add water if it is too thick. It should be thick enough to hold together, but also soft enough to scoop easily. Slowly add our warm water. Make sure to keep stirring until it is perfectly smooth, thick batter. Now cover your bowl with plastic wrap. Make sure to create a tight seal. Place it in a warm corner and let it double in size. This rising stage is very important. Pour enough vegetable oil into a deep pot. Do not stir the bar medium heat. Leave it exactly as it is until you're ready to. This rising stage is very important because it creates that light and airy texture. Do not stir the batter after it has risen. Leave it exactly as it is until you're ready to fry. Drop a tiny amount of batter into it. Do not stir the bar medium begins to bubble. Leave it exactly as it is until you're ready to. This rising stage is very important. Lightly wet your hands with batter and drop it into the oil. Continue adding without overcrowding the bubble. Leave it exactly as it is until you're ready to. Lightly wet your hands with clean water. Squeeze batter through your thumb to form medium begins to bubble. Leave it exactly as it is until you're ready to. Here are tips for perfect puff puff. Let the batter rise properly. Master the shaping technique. Do not overcrowd the pot. Turn frequently for an even color. Drain well before serving. Enjoy your perfect puff puff. Let's pull one of these apart. You can see how crisp the exterior is, and look at this incredibly soft and airy interior. This is what perfect puff puff looks like. And that's how you make delicious Nigerian puff puff from scratch. I hope this guide has helped you feel confident enough to try it yourself. Feel free to share your experience or tips in the comments below. Your Nigerian puff puff is ready. Serve warm for the best taste. Dust with icing sugar. It pairs well with tea or fresh juice. Perfect for any gathering.